on this really big bus thing right now. So cool. It's going so fast though. Where are we? St. Thomas?
St. Thomas.
I'm like right at the edge. I hope I don't fall out.
That's where we're going.
They drive on the left side of the road. It's so weird. Okay, we just got to the beach.
You don't push the glass, okay?
Very nice. Let's go swimming. Okay, so we finished at the beach.
Woo!
And now we're leaving the beach.
Yeah, bye beach.
Bye.
I'm gonna miss this beach.
Couldn't really film a lot because we're in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, didn't want the camera wet.
That's right.
But yeah,
That was fun. Oh, so cool.
Look at all these shuttle buses. Okay, so we finished at St. Thomas.
I know, I'm so sad now.
The beach was fun, but then we went to go look at some shops and it was really hot.
Yeah.
So everyone got really tired. But yeah, we're going back to the ship now.
Ship.
Woo, so big. Okay, my appetizer is the beef something. It's like raw beef. And Ivy and Jasmine both got the like
Seafood, ceviche.
Yeah. Okay, for main course I got a pork cutlet thing, and Ivy and Jasmine both got the shrimp dumplings, shrimp gyoza. Okay, so I got this warm chocolate melting cake for dessert. It's so good. Ivy, what did you get?
Strawberry kiwi pavola, I guess.
They got the same thing again. Today they just got the exact same meal. Woo! Okay. Tonight's show, there's the theater. We're going to watch some ventriloquist guy.
I'm kind of scared for this, but
yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's a little bit creepy.
Look, Lefty, it doesn't seem like your career's got down the tubes. You're still working at SeaWorld.
You'll find out I'm about to summon it. I'm about to summon the blackfish. I know you can do it.
Oh, please. Yes. I'm gonna face that fish making all kinds of games. That's right. I sure am.
You're gonna play games with the fish.
I'm gonna play games with the fish. Like the fish played games with me. I don't know that that's the best idea. I mean, what if you lose your left arm? Then what will you be called? But first, let me take a selfie.